Dear students, with the starting of organic chemistry and the first chapter, haloalkenes and haloarenes, I would like to tell you two things or four things which are very important in organic chemistry. The first thing is nomenclature, second is type of reaction, third is mode of activity of an organic compound, and fourth is also not least, that is reagents used in organic reactions. If you will have command upon these four things, then organic chemistry is very, very easy for you, because it is a very smart chemistry, because everything and every region is very systematic, and it is a very systematic chemistry. So I am teaching you first of all today the haloalkenes and haloarenes, and in this chapter it is very important to learn first of all about the types of halogen compounds. Now see here, this is about haloalkanes and haloarenes. Classification of halogen compounds, halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons, means this is the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons. And hydrocarbons, there are two types of hydrocarbons. First aliphatic and then aromatic. So first of all, see here about the aliphatic halogen compounds. Now aliphatic halogen compounds are hydrocarbons are of three types. They are alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. So first type is the derivatives of alkanes, this one. This is derivatives of alkenes, and this is derivatives of alkynes. In this chapter, you have to study only for the derivatives of alkanes, but it is necessary to have idea about the types of halogen derivatives of aliphatic compounds. Now on the second page, now aromatic halogen compounds means the derivatives of benzenoid rings. This is about the derivatives of nuclear halogen derivatives, means aryl halides, means the derivatives of benzene. This is the second type is side chain halogen derivative, means the derivatives of benzenoid ring in which there is a side chain, as for example here side chain is methyl group. So these are so these are the derivatives of, one is the derivative of benzene, another is the derivative of side chain derivative of benzene. Now classification of haloalkanes or haloarenes on the basis of type of halogen atom, number of halogen atoms, and the nature of carbon to which halogen is attached. With the help of third page, I am showing you number of halogen atoms. First of all, the type of halogen atom, maybe bromine, chlorine, iodine, and so on. Second, this is the introduction part of halogen compounds. Second, number of halogen atoms means number of halogen atoms may be 2, 1, maybe 1, 2, and so on. Now, nature of carbon atom means haloalkanes are classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary depending upon the nature of carbon atom to which the halogen is attached. Means primary haloalkanes means have one or non-alkyl group on the carbon bonded to the halogen atom. Means halogen is attached with the carbon atom to which alkyl group is attached, or it is not necessary to be alkyl group to which halogen is attached. Carbon. In this case, this carbon is attached to one alkyl group, or carbon should not attach with any alkyl group, then it is known as primary haloalkanes. Means bromine may be attached with methyl, may be attached with ethyl, may be attached with propyl, and so on. Now, here secondary haloalkanes have two alkyl groups on the carbon bonded to which the halogen atom is attached. See here in this case, bromine is attached with such carbon atom, that carbon atom is attached with two methyl groups or two carbon atoms. One is here and second is here. Now, tertiary haloalkanes have three alkyl groups on the carbon bonded to the halogen atom. See here, bromine is attached with such carbon atom, that carbon atom is attached with three methyls. One is here, second is here, third is here. Now, classification based upon the hybridization of carbon to which halogen is attached. Now, see here. So, haloalkanes or aryl halides. Here, compounds containing sp3 hybridized carbon. See here, this halogen atom is attached with sp3 hybridized, in this case also, in this case also, in this case also. So, these are the halogen compounds in which carbon atom is sp3 hybridized to which halogen is attached. This is also allylic halides. Halogen is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon double bond. When halogen is attached with such carbon atom, that carbon atom is attached with a carbon atom that must contain double bond. Now, with the help of fifth page, I am making you understand about the benzylic halides. In this halide also carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. See here. Benzylic. In these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring that is to a benzylic carbon. Now, note, allylic and benzylic halides may be 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree, means may be primary, secondary and tertiary. So, in this case, it is primary, it is tertiary and it is also secondary, because bromine is attached with such carbon atom at position 1 which is attached with 2 carbon atoms. That's why it is secondary, it is tertiary, it is primary. Once again I am telling you, if halogen atom is attached with such carbon atom, that carbon atom is attached with one carbon atom or no any carbon atom, then it is primary. Then this carbon atom is known as primary carbon atom. If halogen is attached with such, halogen or any group may attached with such carbon atom, that carbon atom is attached with two carbon atoms, then it is, this carbon atom is known as of secondary nature. If the carbon atom is attached with three carbon atoms, then it is tertiary nature. And that's why it is told here, allylic and benzylic halides may be 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. It is very important, just for your conception. Now, propergyl halides means, in these halides, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to a carbon-carbon triple bond. See here, this is carbon-carbon triple bond. Halogen compounds containing sp2 hybridized carbon. Now, these are the examples, sp3 hybridized carbon. These halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons contain sp2 hybridized carbon to which halogen atom is attached. Example, vinylic halides. Halogen atom is attached, is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon of one of the carbon atom of a double bond is, that is vinylic carbon. Now on the 6th page, see here, this is vinylic, means this radical is known as vinyl. Aryl halides, this is known as aryl, this is known as aryl. So in these two cases, halogen atom is attached with sp2 hybridized carbon. In this case also, see here, in this case also, in this case also, in this case also. Note, these aromatic halogen compounds are also called haloarenes. This is known as haloarenes, about which you have to study in this chapter mainly. You have to study the properties of this compound only, halobenzene or chlorobenzene. Halogen compounds containing sp hybridized carbon is also available here. One that is for only for your example or your for concept. Though we have we are not related with these compounds in this chapter, but you must have idea that this is also a type of halogen compounds in which this carbon atom is attached. This carbon atom is sp hybridized. Now, some special types of halogen compounds. See here, this is for your conclusion or concept. See here, vinylic halides. You have, it is in this chapter, you have not studied, we have not in this chapter we are not related to study the properties of this compound. Allylic halides, and third is benzylic halides. Just see for you what is the difference between these three, between means what are the differences among these three compounds. One is vinylic, second is allylic, and third is benzylic. So today just now I taught you about only about the types of halogen compounds. It is very important to learn first of all about the types of halogen compounds, and if you will have idea about these compounds, then the next topic, which is about the preparation of halogen compounds, will become very easy for you. So learn it and see it. Next day I will teach you another topic.